Hey y'all, Jennifer O'Brien here, your favorite golfing realtor in Charleston, South Carolina. One of the questions I get asked most frequently is how do we get furniture over to Dewees Island? Well, recently I helped a client change out some couches and a rug, so let me show you how we did that. We ordered the furniture from Rooms to Go, and we scheduled that to be delivered on a day where we had pre-scheduled to have the mini barge available for us to use to take the furniture over to Dewees. If you had a full house of furniture and you needed a large truck to go to your home, you would just schedule that truck to go on the large barge, which comes to the island twice a month. Once we had the furniture on Dewees, we loaded it up into the island truck, which you rent for a very small fee, and then we drove the furniture to the house. After getting the old furniture out and the new furniture in the house, we then drove the old furniture to the dumpster on the island that is specific for large pieces like couches. So some of the things that you'll need is movers and to pre-schedule the barge and the island truck. As you can see, it's really not that hard to change out some furniture in a house on Dewees. It just takes a little bit of pre-planning and a little bit of scheduling. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you out.